Hi everyone, my name is Ben Songrath. I'm the Regional Educational Technology Coordinator for the Learning Technology Center of Illinois and want to welcome you to Maximize the Power of Google Classroom, the online course. Throughout this course, you're going to be exposed to how to use Google Classroom with your students, everything from setting up a Google Classroom to then sharing out assignments, quizzes, everything that you can do through Google Classroom. So I want to take a minute to introduce you to the course, give you an idea and an overview of what you're in for. So when you're going to use the course, you're going to use a series of either Google slide decks and then videos that are embedded in those slides that will give you a tutorial on how to use the tool itself. So if you notice here on our main page, this is going to give you our course description and overview. And then the next step is going to be to go to the Learn page. And on the Learn page, you see that we have a slide deck embedded. Now, if this doesn't suit you in your learning style, you can click on this link, which will take you to the actual Google Slides. So if you need to have a kind of a close-up example of how to use this, you can. Or you can just use this slide deck to click through. Now you notice you'll go through, you'll see some objectives and overview of the slides. But then also you can notice down here we have a couple of screenshots for you as well. And then as you go through quickly, you'll see that there are videos embedded in the slides as well. So that's there to help you kind of really understand and get an idea of how to use the classroom tool. So there are 4 or 5 videos embedded into the slides for you to watch. When you're finished with that, we're going to ask you to complete the Do section here. And in the Do section, we've got a series of Google Classroom challenges. So these are going to be follow-ups to the slides to kind of give you an idea of how to actually use Google Classroom. So we would ask you to go through these and actually complete these challenges. That way you will better understand how to use the tool. Next, we'll see you have a Google Classroom quiz. This quiz here is necessary to complete the online course. So you have to take this quiz. It's 10 questions long. Be sure to fill out your name and your first name and last name, and then hit submit at the end in order to receive credit. And then in order to really complete this, you will ask to go to the online discussion here as well. So that would be on the last page of the slide. So we'll go through those, and once you are done with the discussion, you will be finished with the online course. So that's it. Really looking forward to your feedback on this. I hope you really enjoy it, and I hope you get a lot out of this online class and you get your 2 PD hours and they will be worth it for you. So thanks for taking this class, and if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. bsongrath@ltcillinois.org. Thanks a lot.